exact Laplace transform question appeared in the recent engineering board exam. Question is asked for 5 marks. So let's solve this. We must use this specific standard Laplace formula for this. So first formula that we use, that is the definition of Laplace transform. Now the definition of Laplace transform is nothing but L of f of t is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st ft dt. So now if you compare here, the value of f of t is nothing but t square sine 3t. So I am going to write here t square sine 3t. And what is the value of s here? If you compare here e raised to minus st with e raised to minus 2t, so s become 2. Next to that, now one by one we are going to solve this expression to get the answer of this whole thing. So firstly we are going to find the Laplace transform of sine 3t. So here we are using the formula of Laplace transform of sine 80, that is nothing but a upon s square plus a square, where s is greater than 0. So here a is nothing but 3, so this become a upon s square plus a square. So 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is nothing but 9. Now next to that, one more theorem we are applying of Laplace transform, that is nothing but L of f of t is f of s, then L of t raised to n f of t is minus 1 raised to n d raised to n ds raised to n f of s. Now this theorem we are going to apply to get the value of t square f of t. Okay, so here if you compare, the value of n is nothing but 2 here. If you apply this theorem, next to get the value of L of t square f of t. So L of t square f of t is d square upon ds square f of s. Do you get it? Because here value of n is 2. So that's why we are, if you put value of n is 2 here, you are getting minus 1 square. That is nothing but plus 1. And double derivative with respect to s. So d square upon ds square. Now one by one we are going to solve the value of derivatives of f of s here. So firstly d by ds of 3 upon s square plus 9. Now here we are going to apply the formula of derivative of 1 upon x. What is the derivative of 1 upon x? It is minus 1 by x square. So here the value of x is nothing but s square plus 9. So we are taking derivative with respect to s. 3 is constant, so you are keeping 3 as it is. Then minus sign as it is, and you are going to take derivative of this term 1 upon s square plus 9. So this become minus 1 by x square. So here you will get minus 1 by s square plus 9 square, and again derivative of s square is nothing but 2s. So the final value is minus 6s s square plus 9 square. Now again you are taking derivative with respect to s. So d square upon ds square and minus 6s s square plus 9 square. Now here you are using the formula of u by v rule, derivative of u by v rule with respect to x. What is the value? V into derivative of u with respect to x minus u into derivative of v with respect to x divided by denominator square, that is v square. So here value of u is nothing but minus 6s and v is nothing but s square plus 9 square. So now you are applying this formula here to get the derivative of this term. So this become minus 6 s square plus 9 square. Second term into derivative of first term. Derivative of minus 6x become minus 6 minus, keeping first term as it is, minus 6 is as it is, and taking derivative of s square plus 9 square. So this become 2 times of s square plus 9. Again derivative of s square is 2s whole divided by s square plus 9 raised to 4, because the term of v here is s square plus 9 square. So taking after taking derivative, your denominator, you are taking denominator square. So square s square plus 9 square of square, that is nothing but raised to 4. Next to that you are taking s square plus 9 common. So minus 6 s square plus 9 into the bracket s square plus 9 minus 4s square. If you simplify here, you will get this term whole divided by s square plus 9 raised to 4. You are simplifying further. So here s square plus 9 get cancelled with this term. So you have minus 6 into the bracket minus 3s square plus 9 whole divided by s square plus 9 cube. You are cancelling out these two terms and simplifying this bracket, you will get this expression. So this is nothing but 18 s square minus 54 divided by s square plus 9q. Now as you know, the value of s is nothing but 2, so you are substituting s equals 2 here. So if you put s equals 2 here, you will get the value is nothing but 18 upon 2197. Now I know copying down these Laplace steps can be annoying. So while trying to understand the logic, I scan my exact notebook pages from this video into a clean high contrast PDF along with question paper. Click the first link in the description to download it completely free so you can use it as a study guide. Thank you. See you next time.